Hello my dears, welcome back. I'm fine. I hope you are fine. Is it? Okay. Can you see this picture? Can you see? What is this? Okay. Do you see dice? Do you see dice? Okay. Do you play with dice? Do you play with dice? Okay. I know we are also play with dice. Is it? Yes. So, at that time, we are refreshing. Is it? Yes. After watch drama, Unni and his friends went to Unni's house. For what? For what? For refreshing. For refreshing. Okay. At that time, the Unni's father has made a couple of dice. Okay, a couple of dice. And Unni and friends played with dice. Okay. Okay. What type of play they played? Tell me. What type of play they played? Tell me. Yeah, we know we can play different types of play with the dice. Is it? Yes. Okay, then they played, that means Unni and his friends played with couple of dice, and they threw the dice. Okay, who is the winner? How we can find out the winner? Let's check. Okay, let's check. When Unni threw the dice, he got like this. The blue dice, he got 4 tens. And the green, he got 6 ones. Okay, look at the blackboard. Unni got 2 dice. Okay. 4 points got in blue dice and 6 points got green dice. Okay. So 4 tens on blue dice. 4 10 on blue dice. Look at what Unni got. So, in the blue dice, 4 tens on blue dice. 4 points. And 6 points on green dice. That means 6 ones. 6 ones on green dice. Okay, green dice. Okay, 4 tens on blue dice. 4 tens on blue dice. Okay, 4 tens, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 40. And ones on green dice. 6 1 on green dice, which means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Okay. How many points got Unni? How many points got Unni? Okay, let's add. Then 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6, which is equal to 46. 46. That means 46 points got Unni. 46 points got Unni. Okay. Unni's friend Abhinanth, Namita, Nandana and Nusrat, they got some points by playing dice. Okay, let's count. Yes. Okay, Abhinanth got 2 points in blue dice. 2 points, which means 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. And 4 points in green dice, which means 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then what is the total? 20 plus 20 plus 4, which is equal to 24. So, Abhinanth got 24 points. And Namita. Okay, Namita got 4 points in blue dice. 4, 10 points. Okay, 4, 10 on a blue dice. Okay, 4, 10, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, so 14. Then Namita got 3 1 points on green dice, which means 1, 2, 3. So 40 plus 3, which is equal to 43. 43. And next side, Nandana. Okay, Nandana. And Nandana got, can you follow me? Hello, can you follow me? Okay, please look into the blackboard very carefully. Okay, okay. Then Nandana got 3 tens on blue dice. 3 tens on blue dice, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 13. And 5 ones in green dice. 5 ones in green dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 5. Okay, then 30 plus 5, which is equal to 35. How many points? Yes, Nandana got 35 points. Then finally Nusrat. Okay, Nusrat got 10 points on blue dice. 10 points. Okay, which means 10. Then 6 1 points on green dice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is the total? Yes, 10 plus 6, which is equal to 16. Okay, so we want to know who got most. Who got most? We want to know? Yes, then come. Okay, we told after they played, they got some points. Okay, Nusrat got 16 points and Unni got 46 points. Abhinanth got 24 points and Nandana got 36 points and Namita got 43 points. Okay, so we want to arrange them in train by most to least order. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Let's do together. Who got most points Who got most? Is it Namida? Not. That is Unni. Unni got 46. Okay. The first position, Unni. Unni, first position, Unni. And he got 46 points. He got 46 points. And the second position, who is the second position? Please look the board. Who is the second position? Yes, it is Namida. It is Namida. Namida got 43 points. Namida got 43 points. And who is third position? Who is third position? Yes, it is Nandana. It is Nandana. Nandana got 36 points and balance is Abhinand and Nusrat. Who is the most? Who is got most points? Yes, it is Abhinand. Abhinand is fourth position. So Abhinand got 24 points. And finally, at last, Nusrat got 16 points. Last, fifth position, Nusrat, she got 16 points. Okay. So, we arranged in train most to least order. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful picture. I know you also understood my class. So please draw in your notebook and write like this. Okay? Okay. Then I hope you all understood my class. Okay, I'm going to wind up. So, see you later. Bye.